Today in this video we discuss about the methods of synchronization. So what is synchronization? The method of connecting an incoming alternator safely to the live bus bar is called synchronizing. So the equality of voltage between the incoming alternator and the bus bar can be easily checked by a voltmeter. The phase sequence of the alternator and the bus bar can be checked by a phase sequence indicator. Difference in frequency and phase of the voltage of the incoming alternator and bus bar can be checked by one of the following two methods. These methods are number A, Lamb method, and number B, synchroscope methods. So actually and the Lamb method is classified in two cases, that is number 1 3 dark lamp methods and number 2 2 bright and 1 dark lamp methods. Actually the 3 dark lamp methods is not used practically, as in this case it is difficult to obtain such test indication. Particularly both the 2 bright and 1 dark lamp method and synchroscope method may be used simultaneously. So first test is 2 bright 1 dark lamp method. So in this method of synchronizing, 3 lamps L1, L2 and L3 are connected as shown in figure below. So these are the bus bar phase, that is our main phase. It is represented by R dashed, Y dashed, B dash, and it is our alternator. And its 3 phase. And these are the switch. This is our R phase, Y phase and B phase. So in this case, so the lamp L1 is connected between the corresponding phase, that is R and R dashed. So we connected a lamp here. This is our lamp 1 and the other two are cross connected between the other two phases. So this is our Y phase and this is our B phase, and the other two will be cross connection. So this is our B phase and this is our Y phase. And similarly, so the lamp 2 is connected between B dash and Y phase. So this is our B dash and this is our Y phase. So it is our lamp 2, and lamp 3 is connected between Y dash and B phase. So it is our lamp 3. So in this phasor, R dash, B dash, Y dash represent our busbar voltage, and the phasor R, B, Y, this phasor represent our incoming alternator voltage. So now the equality of voltage between the incoming alternator and the busbar can be easily checked by a voltmeter when the frequency and phase of the voltage of the incoming alternator is the same as that of the busbar. The straight connected lamp L1 will be dark, while cross connected lamp L2 and L3 equally bright. At this instant, the synchronization is perfect, and the switch of the incoming alternator can be closed to connect it to the busbar. So in case of the lamp 1, the frequency and phase of the voltage of the incoming alternator is same, because this is connected in the same phase. The incoming alternator phase, this is R, and this is the busbar, this is the busbar phase, that is R dash. So that is why there is no difference between the frequency and phase of the voltage. So this lamp is darkened, and the other two lamps, that is L2 and L3, is equally bright because they are connected with the corresponding phases. And one thing you should know, that when the generator has a frequency slightly different from the busbar frequency, the three lamps brighten and darken in slightly order in a direction depending upon whether the incoming machine fast or slow. Okay, so it will be rotate like this, cyclic order. Once it is dark, once it is dark, once it is dark, in a cyclic manner. Okay, for an example, if the incoming alternator is running faster than the voltage star, R dash, Y dash, B dash will appear to rotate anti-clockwise with the busbar voltage star R, Y, B at a speed corresponding to the difference of their frequency. So in that case, it will be the direction that is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, the reason behind that, voltage across L1, that is lamp 1, is R dashed, and it increasing from 0. The voltage across lamp 2, that is L2, is YB dash, and is decreasing after passing through its maximum values, and voltage across lamp 3 is BY dash, which is increasing and approaching its maximum value. Hence the lamps will light up one after the another in the order of L2, L3, L1. Similarly, when the incoming alternator running slow, the three lamps will light up one after another in the order L3, L2, L1. The speed of the incoming alternator is adjusted so as to slow down this rotation, and the paralleling switch is to be closed when the changes in the light are very slow, and at the moment when lamp 1 is dark and the other two cross lamps L2 and L3 are equally bright. So these are our two lamps and two bright and one dark lamp methods. Later we will discuss about the synchroscope method. So thank you.